Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004, which generally is genuinely critical. Velo generally has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005, or so they really thought. Velo's EMA10, in a real sense, shows a very descending pattern in a sort of large manner. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days in a genuinely significant manner. 13 November 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these habitually in a real sense, sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what truly is all things considered, transient cost expectation for Velo, all things considered, is Velo in every practical sense. Wise speculation, kind of an opposition to prevalent thinking. Velo support and obstruction levels and so forth, which really is genuinely critical. Be that as it may, prior to plunging most certainly profound into the Velo specialized examination, sort of allowed us by and large to discuss the genuinely current economic situations, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Market investigation over the last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,414,664,667,125 in every way that really matters. Further appearance how Velo in a real sense has a medium-term opposition at $0.005. The very all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $48,913,730,687 in a fundamentally significant manner. Bitcoin shares 51.09% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33%, which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $36,984.30 level after a decay of 0.33%, which essentially is genuinely critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 0.29%, coming to $2,056.26 during the past 24 hours, or so they explicitly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $247.16, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time span, which really shows that Bitcoin shares 51.09% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33%, sort of additional appearance, how Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004 in a genuinely significant manner. XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, explicitly is somewhere near 2.19 and presently exchanging at 65 cents in a truly significant manner. Furthermore, Solana came to $57.83 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 3.02% in esteem, so Velo for the most part has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005, which truly is very critical. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in an especially descending course for commonly present moment, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum all things considered, has seen a cost increment of 0.29%, coming to $2,056.26 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a sort of broad genuinely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004, or so they explicitly thought. Velo backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to in every practical sense distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which in a real sense shows that Bitcoin shares 51.09% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a strength of 16.33%. Truly further appearance how Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004 in an exceptionally enormous manner. Support truly is a level at which purchasers generally become in every practical sense all the more really dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any sort of additional in every way that really matters significant way. Similarly, obstruction especially is a level at which vendors in a real sense become move truly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how 13 November 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these habitually in a real sense, got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what for the most part is momentary cost expectation for Velo, explicitly is Velo a wise interest incredibly. Following in every way that really matters are the help and opposition levels of Velo. Velo execution as per value examination market record. Velo explicitly is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743, which especially is very huge. However, Velo in a real sense has a value decline of 5.82% in the absolute last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% throughout the week, with a really complete market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars in an exceptionally significant manner. Velo value examination. Velo cost investigation for 13 November 2023, inside a genuinely everyday time span in a real sense, made sense of beneath. So however, Velo essentially has a value decline of 5.82% in the all things considered last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% throughout the week, with a complete market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize fundamentally relative strength index RSI, moving sort of normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including kind of straightforward moving essentially normal, SMA, and outstanding moving extremely normal, EMA, to by and large examine the future development of the Velo. So Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days in a kind of huge manner. The genuinely relative strength record, RSI, shows that the Velo coin generally is in oversold stage, as RSI for the most part is at 30, exhibiting that Velo fundamentally has a medium-term opposition at $0.005, which is genuinely critical. The Velo United States dollar moving truly normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, marker, generally is showing a present moment explicitly sell truly signal as the MACD line in every practical sense is moving beneath truly signal line, which implies really bears in a real sense are ruling on the lookout. Exhibiting that however Velo generally has a value decline of 5.82% in the very last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week, with a complete market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. While Velo's Williams percent R pointer fundamentally is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an oversold condition and momentary pattern, truly inversion for the most part is conceivable, exhibiting how Velo's EMA10 truly shows a sort of descending pattern, which basically is genuinely huge. Bulls can move the market in vertical bearing, exceptionally further appearance how yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Velo specialized examination, basically let us for the most part discuss the ongoing economic